Hey there, money-savvy friend. Ready to make 2025 your year of financial growth? Let us dive into how you can start investing, even if you've only got 10 bucks to spare. Listen, we get it. The economy's been a wild ride lately. Inflation's chomping away at your savings like a hungry hippo. Job market's about as stable as a Jenga tower in an earthquake. But here's the deal, investing isn't just for Wall Street suits. It's your ticket to building a safety net and maybe even living that dream life down the road. Before we jump into the investing pool, let's make sure you've got your floaties on. First things first, tackle that high-interest debt. It's like a leaky boat, plug those holes before you start sailing. Next up, build yourself an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your financial airbag for life's unexpected fender benders. Now, let's talk about your monthly savings capacity. Take a good look at your income and expenses. How much can you realistically set aside each month? Even if it's just $20, that's a start. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your investment portfolio. Alright, let's break down your investment options for 2025. It's like a buffet, lots of choices, but you don't have to pile everything on your plate at once. Stocks are still the go-to for many. Think of ETFs and index funds as the set it and forget it of the stock world. They like buying a slice of the whole market pie instead of trying to pick the perfect apple. Mutual funds, they're like carpooling for your money. You and other investors chip in, and a pro-driver fund manager takes the wheel. Crypto's still hanging around, but approach it like you would a spicy pepper. A little goes a long way, and too much might burn you. Real estate doesn't have to mean buying a whole house. REITs or fractional ownership are like getting to enjoy the property party without having to host it yourself. And hey, AI's not just for chatbots anymore. Robo-advisors are like having a super smart piggy bank that invests for you. Now, where do you actually start investing? In 2025, it's all about those user-friendly apps. Robinhood, Webull, and eToro are still popular in the US. If you're in India, Zerato's your go-to. Look for platforms with low fees and easy-to-use mobile apps. It's like having a mini stock market in your pocket. Let's talk golden rules of smart investing. First up, start small but stay consistent. It's the tortoise and the hare. Folks, slow and steady wins the race. Dollar cost averaging is your friend here. It's like buying a little bit of your favorite snack every week instead of splurging on a whole cart once a year. Don't try to time the market. It's like trying to catch a fly with chopsticks, tricky and usually not worth the effort. Instead, focus on the long game. Think of your investments like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every day to check the roots, right? Now, let's talk about what not to do. Avoid following social media hype like it's the latest dance trend. Just because everyone's talking about a stock doesn't mean it's a good buy. Do your homework. Research before you invest. It's like reading reviews before buying a new gadget. Always a smart move, and whatever you do, don't panic sell. The market's going to go up and down like a roller coaster. Don't jump off just because it dips. Hold on tight and enjoy the ride. Here's the thing, friend. Investing isn't about becoming the next Warren Buffett overnight. It's about building your financial freedom brick by brick. Start small, stay smart, and keep learning. Think of it this way, every dollar you invest is like planting a tiny money tree. Some will grow faster than others, but over time, you're creating your own little financial forest, and who knows? In a few years, you might be sitting in the shade of your money trees, sipping a cool drink, and wondering why you didn't start sooner. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, the second best time right now. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step. Open an investment app, do some research, and put that first $10 to work. You've got this, and hey, future you is already giving you a high five for getting started. So let's make 2025 the year you stop watching from the sidelines and get in the game. Your financial future is calling. Time to pick up. Just imagine, a year from now, you could be looking at your growing investment account, feeling pretty darn proud of yourself. And you should be. Every small step counts. Every dollar invested is a vote for your future self. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I make a mistake? Here's a secret everyone does, even the pros. The key is to learn from those mistakes and keep moving forward. Think of it as leveling up in the game of finance. And here's another thing to remember. Diversification is your best friend. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket or all your tacos on one plate. Spread your investments around, a little here, a little there. That way, if one area takes a hit, you're not left with nothing but crumbs. As you start this journey, keep educating yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, follow reputable financial experts. But always think critically. What works for one person might not work for you. Your financial journey is as unique as your fingerprint. And don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Did you consistently invest for 3 months straight? That's awesome. Give yourself a pat on the back. Positive reinforcement isn't just for dogs learning new tricks. It works for humans building good financial habits too. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you feel like a financial genius and days when you wonder if you should just stuff your money in a mattress. Both of these feelings are normal. The key is to stick to your plan and keep your eyes on the long-term prize. As we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Start with a solid financial foundation. Choose investments that match your goals and risk tolerance. Use user-friendly platforms to make your first moves. Follow the golden rules. Start small, stay consistent, think long-term. Avoid common pitfalls like following hype or panic selling. But most importantly, just start, even if it's just that $10 we talked about at the beginning. Because here's the truth, every financial empire started with a single coin. Your journey to financial freedom starts with that first investment. So are you ready to make 2025 your year? To take control of your financial future, to start building those money trees? I think you are. No, scratch that. I know you are. Go on, take that first step. Future you is cheering you on. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community of people out there, just like you, working towards their financial goals. Join the conversation, share your experiences, learn from others. Investing isn't just about numbers on a screen or papers in a portfolio. It's about creating opportunities, building security, and yes, even having a little fun along the way. It's about taking charge of your life and saying, hey, I've got this, so here's to you, future investor. To your dreams, your goals, and the amazing journey you're about to embark on. The world of investing is waiting for you, and 2025 is your year to shine. Remember, every big wave starts with a small ripple. You're making that ripple right now, so go ahead, dive in. The water's fine and the future's looking bright. Happy investing, friend.